to say tea for me. Look.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Trisha.
And I'm Leonard.
And tonight, guys, because another day and night time. And tonight, guys, we're just coming off the road. Have a full day on the road. So if we face shine like that, just because we're just coming off the road. And we're really hungry, guys. But there's this viral YouTube video going around. Or not YouTube, but viral social media video going around. Oops. Oops. Flip the bottle challenge. So we're gonna be flipping the bottle and oh my god! Wow! And if we are successful, you know, we're going to be eating some delicious jerk chicken people with festivals and drink some soda, right? So let's have some fun now. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Like, share, comment and subscribe. What do you think I'm going to win? We're going to think I'm going to eat this nice delicious food.
She come to play a game, you come to eat food.
Alright, so let's see who are going to win, people. Alright, let's go ahead. Ladies before gentlemen. Crap.
No, that's not. Baby, she let her full back of the water still now. I want to have the water move around. What are this one?
But then I get it right when I eat.
What is that? Alright, let me study the aerodynamics. Watch me now. Alright, give me some food right about now.
Then it's what I'm aware.
Oh, Martha. So right now. Back will come, we're pretty. I'm going to be hungry. Alright, let me get you now. Carrot, what are you, man? One day. What kind of back is this, man? Baby, the back end of the no?
No. No.
One on there, man. One on there. Watch me now.
No. No.
What kind of back is this get to play the game, man? This isn't no good. Flip it to come. Alright, watch me now. You get it now.
Uh-oh.
Come on, drop down. That's not good enough.
Some? Oh, a little bit, so they're not good.
Baby, how can I eat that back is a play game? But this is drop on it until turn over. How can I eat that back to this? Baby, the back end of the no?
Yeah, the back of water.
Alright, little more. It's something drop on the bottom until turn over. Watch it.
I think I'm good.
Nah, man. So that flip it right now, right from the bottom. And listen to that. Alright, this is how you better hold on. Hey, let me go start.
Mama, do it. I'm
put them back in there. Make it work for you. Carol, leave that. Alright. What the fuck?
Oh no! No! No!
You tell me about the back there, no?
No!
Back there does not like me. Alright.
Yay! I just said cheese for me. No.
What the hell is that?
Cheese.
Carol, leave it, Carol. Leave it, Carol. Alright. You're man.
Yeah, move it. No.
Alright. Alright, yeah.
Oh no.
I want it.
Yeah. No.
It's jerk, but you're not peppery. That's why I'm getting sauce.
No.
I
No.
didn't know, Carol. Butter.
No.
Not like Jamaican jerk.
Boom. The butter. So before us. Lower. Alright, my thing.
Yay! We did it.
Watch me now. Man. I'm the rest of the now. Wait, man. Alright. Damn! Hey, wait a minute. Come on. Look it. Okay, that's this. Baby, the back get the 5 minutes. Alright.
It is on fire.
Come on, man. No.
People be doing now. So,
Uh-oh.
now we'll start. Come on.
Araya, no. Leave it alone. Let me think that it's all
No food here.
my belly a bust.
Alright. No, hey. What do you want?
Oh, I see it.
What's going on? Baby, you finish now, wait a man, chop. Hey, leave it. Come.
Guys, you must see them behind the camera. I'm sure I'm not hear them.
No. No.
Shadow, Araya.
I'm done.
No. Yes! You did it! I got to eat that one.
Want to eat this?
Alright, this. I can do some of my gosh. I told you.
Soft somewhere.
Yeah. Alright. Come on, Bucket. You okay, me now? Alright, easy does it. Alright.
We can't get potato sauce. You know what I'm saying? Chicken breast season, babe.
Alright, nothing more, nothing here. Let's go.
It's not young.
Come on, man.
No, I'm just not. I'll do this.
Come on.
Oh, like this.
Baby, wake up then.
It fell.
Baby, I just sit right now and grab you. That's what I can't do with you now. Wow.
Get the second.
See that? Nothing here. Alright, leave the camera. Look at Jesus. What is? One time.
The sauce sweet.
Alright.
I put the red sauce.
Baby, it's not juice, man. I want to do
Come on, man. Come. Taro is the sausage.
Right. No. I'm so funny, man. Then you start to something like that, you have juice.
Because me get it.
No,
but pouring.
But you don't have favorite juice. Alright. The juice not juice. Because you just start to pour. But I can just pour it into the jar.
So you continue pouring it for me.
Yeah, alright.
You must see baby behind the camera.
Really come around, man. Thank you. Nothing.
No, sorry.
People just play there and make them do something. Right, right.
Alright, take up camera now.
Feel nice now.
Alright, you need to leave mommy camera alone. Alright, that's what we need to finish now. So one more time and all done. Alright? Guys? Alright. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Alright, so guys, we have lots of fun. The chicken soon done. It's not peppered here, done. It's seasoned well. And then give it 2 sauce. And it tastes really good. And it worth the money and enough chicken.
Alright, leave the camera alone.
But the sauce here tastes like a ketchup sauce. It not taste spicy.
I'm mild.
So you don't really get no spiciness to it.
But chicken have its own spice, so it's good.
But it's not a pepper though.
Me taste pepper, I mean I eat the nice sauce.
And this is not pepper. And me, I feel like I'm allergic to pepper.
But when you talk about me still. What do you mean?
No!
My belly full.
My belly full too, but my belly longer so me.
Oh my god! Wow!
That time.
Me think, comment down below who you think win.
Probably that time.
Me think me win. Alright, so guys, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.
Bye guys.